Okay guys, today we're at a hospital in rural northeast Thailand. I'm gonna try and take the camera inside and have a look around if I can. It's just in there, it's very quiet. Not a lot of people around, so they might let me. So as you can see, it's only 2-story, it's real small. We got lots of beds and backboards and wheelchairs sitting outside, ready to go if they need it, I guess. Right in here is the reception area. Lots of paperwork in there. Waiting area. I don't think they'll let me in here. This looks like where you pay. And it's lunchtime. You see them in there eating. Not sure where this goes. More office space. Wow, it's quiet. This just goes outside. Must be just a stage here. Maybe they do shows. This is out the back. It looks nice, it's clean. It's not very modern, but it's clean. Better than a lot of hospitals I've been in, I've seen in this country. There's the bathrooms. Just had a look inside the bathroom. I thought it's worth taking a shot of. And there's the toilets. And your water supply. Other than that, it's a normal bathroom. Even a sign telling you to wash your hands. This is where to keep the drugs. Seem to be restocking the shelves. That's what's in these boxes. Got a nice little garden here. The water feature's not running, but everything looks nice. And over here, the gym or exercise area. Pretty surprising. Such a small hospital in the middle of nowhere. This all looks brand new. This is for the staff, I guess. And an administration building here. There's their ambulances. Three ambulances in a van that could probably be an ambulance. Outside, lots of gazebos, basketball court. It's really nice. Really surprising, actually. Take a look inside the ambulance. I've never been in an ambulance. I don't know if this is normal. This is ambulance to bring you to go to hospital. Absolutely spotless. I don't know about the equipment. It seems to have a bunch of stuff. There's the X-ray bunker. All looks modern enough to me. Warning, radiation, do not enter. Or something along that line. Okay, well, I think that's all we're going to see in here today.
Không biết rồi.